Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video is about Unreal Engine 5.8 preview. Turn any mesh into a Metahuman character. Go to plugin, make sure you have Metahuman. You want to enable this plugin. You have 5.8. You go to this drop down and go to options. Make sure you have Metahuman creator core data. So right click, go to Metahuman. Go to Metahuman character, double click to open. You can go to import from custom mesh. There are a lot of options, but this is the way I'm going to show you. You can explore later. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this skeleton mesh. Alright, so I'm just going to put him here, combine mesh. Alright, select that. Then all you have to do is just one button, click on auto solve. It will automatically fix it. So it says body solve, then it's going to go over other parts, face solve as well later. All right, it's finished face solve. I think it's all solved, all fixed. Well, let's go ahead and save it. All right, now we can go ahead and add a material, see how it looks like. Let's give it a Superman haircut. Give it a beard. This is the only cloth I have. Let me see how it looks like. There you go. So you want to use as less clothes as possible, especially shoes. Make sure your skeleton mesh has no shoes. Minimal clothing, only boxer or top. That's pretty much it. Make sure that it's skin tight as well. So next you want to do is you have to rig it. So you want to choose, I'm going to choose EV optimized, and this is where I want to save it. Full rig. It's going to take some time. Alright, so auto rigging is done. Let's do characters missing textures. Let's download texture source. Alright, so now it's done. Make sure the setting is fine, and this is the character name. And then go ahead assemble. Alright, it seems done. Let's go ahead and save it and go. Let's check the folder if it has it. There you go. This is the Metahuman. There you go. This is the. So I drag the character there. Let's see, compare how they look like. And this is what you have. So you have from this to Metahuman. So this is your old skeleton mesh. It could be from different program. It could be CC3 or Blender or Mixamo. Then you can convert that into Metahuman, and that's pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching.